Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we've got a few clouds out there this morning, but temperatures very comfortable as we see temperatures in the low 70s so far, and we're going to continue to see temperatures really struggle to get up to that 80-degree mark today. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary off to our south, high pressure to the north, giving us a north to northeasterly flow and eventually an easterly flow as we go through the day today with winds off the water. Will keep temperatures pretty comfortable with, again, temperatures struggling to reach 80 degrees for a high temperature, so very nice for this time of year. Taking a look at our satellite and radar composite as we wait for this chart to load up. You can see the clouds in the area this morning. Most of that will be in the form of low-level cloudiness as we go through the morning and afternoon hours. We'll see a little bit of an increase in that lower level cloudiness. We do have some upper level cloudiness as well, and you can also see a little bit of isolated shower activity well off the coast to the northeast this morning, spiraling in off the ocean. A lot of that activity is drying up as it makes its way off to the southwest toward the Wallops region, so really not expecting very high chances at all of any precipitation today, but just a very limited chance that you can see a sprinkle or a very light rain shower during the early afternoon time period. So mostly dry conditions for today, but just a very limited chance, less than 10% of seeing a sprinkle or a light rain shower today. Currently out there we see a few clouds at 3,000 feet, a scattered deck at 7,000 feet, and another deck up there around 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. We'll see our winds continue out in easterly direction, very light, around 5 knots as we go through the morning hours. We currently have a east-northeasterly wind at 5 knots, and then we'll see temperature at 74 degrees at 8 o'clock as well, with humidity of 85%. Taking a look at our next 24 hours and what we can expect, seeing temperatures again struggling to get to 80 degrees later on this afternoon. 80 degrees, the high temperature expected during the early to mid-afternoon hours. Then we'll see temperatures dropping back off. Again, mostly cloudy skies this morning, becoming partly cloudy late in the afternoon into the overnight hours. We'll see temperatures dropping into the 60s, 68 degrees, the expected overnight low temperature overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. And we'll wake up with partly sunny skies with just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness out there, but we will see some sunshine as we wake up Thursday morning with very comfortable conditions, right around 68 degrees for a low temperature. Winds should remain out of an easterly direction today and eventually switch out of a southeasterly direction as we go into the evening hours tonight. Southeasterly winds at 3 to 6 knots, very light during the evening hours, and then we'll see those winds turn more out of a southerly direction after midnight tonight. Looking at the next couple of days, things get a little bit more active for us as we go into Thursday. Mostly cloudy and more humid conditions expected with a high temperature of 83. And as we hit the nighttime period of Thursday night, we'll see a chance of some showers and thunderstorms entering the forecast. Most of those should probably be overnight after midnight Thursday night and into early Friday morning. And then we'll see another round of some shower and thunderstorm activity late in the day on Friday. So at this point, looks like we could have 2 different time frames of those showers and thunderstorms occurring. A pretty good chance late Thursday night and into early Friday morning. Then we could see a little break in the action during the day on Friday with more showers and thunderstorms entering the forecast Friday evening, with the chance of those storms being pretty strong as well. Some of those storms could produce some heavy rainfall and frequent lightning, so that will certainly be something to keep an eye out on for Friday's forecast, with those showers and thunderstorms looking more and more likely for the end of the week. That'll wrap it up for the short-term weather forecast briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a full look and your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.